Hello friends, my name is Venkatesh Manas. Today I am here with the topic of corruption in India. Currently I am doing internship at Epson Private Limited. So today my video topic is corruption in India. Coming to corruption, corruption is the biggest threat in the current scenario of the country, because every small bit of work there is a corruption has been happening throughout it. For example, if any government work may be there, in that case also the corruption has is the part. And any job related work may be considering it in it, it is corruption has as there in that place as well. Any Take any example, in every small bit of work the corruption is there. If suppose any product we have to sell, there is a corruption in between it, because due to corruption there is a multiple as much as money we can consider due to corruption. So and the money lenders who are giving money to the to lend, uh, they are corrupted as well, because they give the money for the interest, and the interested amount is considered as a corruption as well. And coming to the job sector, when in the IT sector as well, the current, if we wants to place, there, in some scenarios there as well we have to pay the corruption for the for from reference, if we go through reference. So the corruption is the biggest threat in the current scenario. It places in many businesses as well, because if the middle party, if take the example of agriculture, the farmer who do the hard work regularly, and he takes his meal to the market. To market, the middle person who is in between the farmer and customer, the middle person take the corruption, because the hard work is done by the farmer, and the consumer who is customer taking the product. But the corruption has been taken by the middle person, because he approaches to the farmer, and he approaches to the farmers, and he approaches to the customers as well. In that case, he take the production for the less amount, and he sells it to the to the large amount. This is called marketing as well. The marketing is the thing that it in that is also the corruption is considered, because in any take any product, in any product cannot be sold, or cannot be made out of corruption, because corruption is in any small things, corruption is the part. So the biggest threat is the corruption. When the India becomes corrupt free, then the growth of the Indian success ratio will be increased. In many political things as well are because of the corruption. Because government has providing sufficient amount of fund to the politicians, but they are not able in the sense they are not converting it to the good resource. So the common people are facing issues, because the politicians, who not all the politicians, but considering some, they are corrupting the money from the government and fooling the people. So the corruption is the biggest threat, considering that this government should make the official statement that customers, means common people, can also know how much amount is been released, and they are capable to get the facilities with the politician. So the when the corruption get decreased in our country, then the country's growth will be increased. So this was the part. This was the topic of today's video. It was the corruption in India. Thank you.